Hello student, I am Janardhan Barwad. So today's topic of discussion is finding a candidate keys from the relation, and subject is database management system. So let me take one example, and in that there are a relation in which there are four attributes, that is A, B, C and D. And we have, if we want to find the candidate key, first we have to see which are the functional dependency are there. So let me tell you that in this table the functional dependencies are A to B, B to C and C to D. So these are the three functional dependency are already there, and relation there are a total of four attributes. And if I want to find the candidate keys, so now what the first is, we have to check with the A. Now because this is the reflexive property, if I am having a, so A can determine A, that is a reflexive. Now using FD you can check, using A I can determine B also. So if I have A, then I can determine B also. So if I have a B, then I can determine C also. So if I have a B, then I can determine C also. Using C, I can determine D also. So you can see here, if I have A, then I can determine A, B, C and D. So we can say that if the any attribute is determined the all the attribute, then we can say that that particular attribute is a candidate key. So now let's take another example. Let's check with the B. And if you want to find the candidate key, first we are checking this with the closure, and closure of B is what? Using B I can determine C. So using B I can determine B, that is the reflexive. Using B I can determine C, and using C I can determine D. You can see that using this functional dependency. But can I determine A using B? No, B to C and C to D, but there is no implication from B to A, so we cannot say that. We can say that B is not a candidate key. So let's check with the C. So you can see here, using C is reflexive, so using C we can determine C. Using C we can determine D also, using this functional dependency. Is there any other functional dependency using? So there is no other attribute we can determine using C. So we can say that using C we can determine only C and D. So we can say that C is a not candidate key, because using C I cannot determine A and B. So that's why. So now you can also combine some other things, or we can check with the D also. Using D I can determine D, and using D you can check here all the FD, and there is no other FD using. We cannot say that. So now we can say that there is a candidate key is only A.